Recently made a video and part of it was asking how many videos people want per week. I got a raft of responses, so I wanted to respond to the responses that were responded to. Here's what I got coming. A lot. I've got projects coming out of my ears. I've never been one to lead a 40-hour work week. That's for pansies. Usually about 80 and it's now peaking at about 100. In case you're thinking, you slacker, why don't you post more videos every week? Well, I am. I just finished helping Dave Andrade finish the basics of color correction and color grading course over at Basic Filmmaker University, available now for the stupid low price of $19. Less than 2 bags of my favorite coffee. And what the heck? I love my French roast and Starbucks quit selling it at their stores. Yo, dudes, fine, Amazon gets my money, ya dopes. Links to the coffee in the video description below. I've also been helping a company create their internal and external training site. I've got another 50 courses to do in the next 3 to 4 months. Yeah, I said 50 courses, not videos. I've got this channel I am trying to keep up on by posting videos at least once per week. And now it's gonna be twice a week, most likely Tuesdays and Thursdays. So you wanna subscribe. Subscribe link in the description below. I'm helping another company launch their YouTube channel by posting how-to videos, that's rev.com, and I'm having great fun doing it and learning a lot. I've created a playlist of the videos, link in the description below, and also an info card up here somewhere. Do me a favor and show them some love and subscribe to their channel, and yes, I've been given free reign to create these, which includes bits that will make you laugh, or maybe groan. Been losing weight, doing yoga, and got these cool new shoes that keep me from slipping on a yoga mat. Link in the description below. Also working on completely revamping my YouTube and on-camera courses from the ground up, and yes, if you're already enrolled at them, you'll get the new ones for free. So you might want to consider getting those at the already available crazy discount price. Links in the description below. Also creating a new audio course so you can get awesome audio no matter what setup you happen to have. No link in the description below. Revamped my description for my videos and now include a list of all the gear I use or recommend. Link in the description below. And I'm working on some kick-butt editing courses, basic filmmaker style, that will take you from knowing nothing to becoming an editing ninja. No, it's not the let's go over the interface, blah, 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 that every freaking course does. No link in the description below. I'm looking at creating a completely new studio. The wife doesn't know about it. It's gonna be super expensive. Anyway, I'm tired of the freaking planes and noise I have to deal with. No links for that, but I'll document the whole thing so you can see what goes into a balls studio.
What are you spending money on?
Crap. And now for something completely different. Oh, I'm starting another YouTube channel. I can't tell you what it is, as I want it to be a surprise. No link for that in the description below. I love what I do, I love helping others, and I would love if you subscribe to this channel, because there's a lot of cool stuff coming. The subscription link is in the video description below. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.